Laser cleaning can remove all kinds of pollutants on the surface of various materials, including mild metal corrosion, metal particles, dust, etc. The application functions include rust removal, paint removal, oil removal, cultural relic restoration, glue removal, and coating removal. Deplating. Laser derusting and machine washing metal can save labor and be environmentally friendly, which cannot be achieved by sandblasting and derusting. There is no disadvantage of consumables in the later stage, and it can achieve micro-roughening or non-destructive cleaning, as long as the correct parameters are adjusted, whether it is rust removal or paint removal and oil removal, compared with traditional methods. The biggest advantage of laser cleaning is that it does not damage the base material. These are the conditions that must be met when the factory surface treatment